Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share the cleaning methods of clay pots after cooking. I have already shared a video regarding the health benefits of cooking in clay pot and seasoning of clay pot for first time. The link is in the description box below. If you are interested, you can check the link. Clay pot is one of the best and safe cookware. It is eco-friendly and cheap. Try to buy handmade clay pots. Let us see our first method. Here I have cooked millet. It is same like rice, no smell, no oil. So just empty the pot and place it on a stand. Always keep your clay pot on stove top or on a stand. Fill your clay pot with warm water and allow it to soak for half an hour. After half an hour, empty the pot and gently scrub with scrubber. Do not use soap or any dishwashing liquid. Just scrub with scrubber. Clay pot contains small pores. If you use soap or detergent, then it may clog the pores and that may enter into your food while cooking. So avoid soap or detergent. If you are not satisfied with this, you can use basin or wood ash. Our grandmothers used to wash clay pots with wood ash only. That is safe. Now rinse it with plain tap water. Now the pot is clean. Dry it under sunlight or shade. Better to dry it under sunlight. Now our clay pot is ready to use. Do not heat wet clay pot. Our second method is clay pot with more oil. Empty the pan and fill it with water. Heat it and bring it to boil. Add half spoon of baking soda and boil it for 5 minutes. Put off the flame and allow it to cool. After cooling, empty the pan and just scrub with scrubber without using soap or detergent. Usually clay pot acts as non-stick, so there is no much strain in cleaning clay pot. Easily you can wash clay pot. Only thing is you have to handle clay pots gently. After scrubbing, you have to rinse it with plain water. Now your clay pot is clean. Dry it under sunlight. Store it in well ventilated area separately. The third method is fill your clay pot with water and add half lemon and bring it to boil. This is to remove bad smell of the clay pot and for better durability. Boil it for 5 minutes and put off the flame. Allow it to cool and discard the water. Dry it under sunlight and your clay pot is ready to use. Happy cooking! Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.